Let's talk about a huge hidden problem in software, authorization, and why it's probably slowing you down.
Does this sound familiar? If it does, you're likely dealing with something called embedded authorization.
You see, right now, your access rules are probably all over the place, tangled up in code, APIs, everywhere.
So how do we get into this mess? Well, it didn't happen overnight. It was death by 1,000 cuts.
And that organic growth, it's what leads to a brittle, inconsistent system. Let's dig into why.
We're not just talking about technical debt here. These are real, active risks and major roadblocks.
Okay, let's talk change friction. This is where the real pain is for your engineering teams.
So what should be a quick fix ends up being this huge, risky project across multiple teams.
Then, boom, an auditor asks for proof. Now everyone's scrambling, trying to piece together log.
Okay, so what's the fix? Well, it's not about adding another tool. It's a fundamental, structural change.
Is called decoupled authorization, and it's a much simpler way of thinking, based on one core idea.
And this is the key. The application's job isn't to make the decision anymore. It just asks.
This diagram shows it all. You're moving the decision-making from total chaos into one central control plan.
Basically, authorization stops being a feature you build over and over. It becomes a core service, like payments.
This turns your access policies into something real, something you can version, test, and even roll back.
And the result? Every single access decision gets logged. Audits go from guesswork to solid fact.
You can see the impact right here. It's not just a tech fix, it's an operational game changer. Suddenly, you're shipping features faster, onboarding partners quicker, and breezing through security reviews.
But how is this different from other tools? Well, it doesn't just dump more complexity on your developers.
Think of it this way. It's not just another component. It's a whole operating system for authorization.
So, at the end of the day, this is a major structural fix. It's about rethinking years of bad habits.
So you have to ask, is your authorization a bottleneck or an asset? Decoupling turns it into a real advantage.